In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a calendar in Adobe InDesign. First, create a new file. It's recommended to create a landscape file since you are creating a calendar. You can also customize the width and height if needed. Once you have set the dimensions, click on Create. Next, click on the Table option in the top navigation menu and select Create Table. Enter the number of rows and columns. It is recommended to enter 7 columns for the 7 days of the week and 5 to 6 rows. Click OK. Click and drag in your page to create the table. Leave some space at the top of the table for the name of the month. After creating the table, you can select all the text and adjust the font size, font family, and alignment from the right side of the screen. To adjust the size of any row or column, click and drag the lines to resize them. Start entering the dates for the month. After that, create a text box at the top of the calendar and type in the name of the month. You can adjust the font style, size, and alignment from the right side of the screen. If you want to add a background color to your calendar, go to Windows in the top menu, hover over Color, and select Swatches. Choose Paper and double-click to select a color. Once you apply the color, the background of your calendar will be updated. If you want to create a calendar for multiple months, open the Pages panel from the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, go to Windows in the top menu and check the Pages option. Right-click on your current page and select Duplicate Spread. This will create a duplicate of your first page. Click on the 3 lines in the Pages panel and select Allow Document Pages to Shuffle to disable it. Drag and drop the second page next to the first one and adjust the dates accordingly. This is how you can create a calendar in Adobe InDesign.